Hello everyone! Today, again from my office, I'm bringing you the Hour Glas slider by GAO STUDIO. Cool little slider, and I got it actually because it was less than $11. Less than $11 total for a brand name fidget. You have to do it, you have to buy it and see if it's worth the $10.78 I paid for it. So let's open it and see it with you. So this is the packaging as always. Open your EDC here at the top. You can see all the little zoom in. Sometimes people want to see whatever they can, so try to do it. This is probably where the model is written, but again, my Chinese almost non-existent now. Even though you can rip it here, you can open it instead of ripping it. So let's see what we have. Some stuff. That's it. Nothing more. So let's see. Zoom in again. Some glass balls and springs. Replacement, I believe. Very cool product card with very cool stickers by them. Merchandise is always good. Some merchandising. So put it to the side, and the fidget itself. I'm already zoomed in, so you can see it very clearly with the GAO branded sealed package. So let's open it and see how it is from here. Already a design flaw. Wait a minute. First fidget package that I had to use scissors to open. If it matters to anyone, never had to use scissors. But again, what can I say? Affordability. So zoom in again. Very nice to the touch. Feels smooth. So let's see how it is for the very first time. It has some different play styles that you can use. You can use it as a regular slider. You can always also go like this, which is very cool. Also, if I zoom in, and you can maybe see it, it's the tracks here and here, if you want to see. Actually feels great, and I love the haptic of the ricochet. Very cool. Yep. You can do it for hours, you know? You can do this for hours. If you're like me. Very cool, and again, less than $11. What more can you want? You know, to every collection, to everyone. Put one in your office, take one to your school. So affordable. Sounds great also. Very nice to fidget on. This is fucking awesome. So, short and to the point, the Hour Glas by GAO Studio. Would I recommend it? Actually, yes, very much. As you saw, it's something you can do repeatedly for hours. So yes, very cool. But again, it depends on your preferences, as always. So, thank you for joining me on this little review and on the journey that I am on. Thanks you for watching. I value each and every one of you, even though sometimes it takes me long to answer and stuff like that. So, thank you for everyone, and see you on the next one. Bye.